Donkeys. Yes, I see your tail. Duncan. Look at Daddy. Duncan. Yo. Look at Daddy. Over here. Donkeys. Yes. This is what happens when a 22-pound cat wants to catch birds. There's the window. And out there are the birds. There's Duncan. Hello, Duncan. Birds. Okay, Duncan, do your tail thing. Go ahead. Uh-huh. Tell you what, let's make it more tempting for Duncan. I'm so bad. Open up the window a little bit. There we go.
He's gonna knock that screen out.
Okay, tail action. No, time for a bath. Nope, time for tail action. Okay, well, what do you got, buddy? You're supposed to be entertaining. You're Duncan, the 22-pound cat. Uh-huh. Hey, Dunk. You're on candid camera. Say something. Duncan, say something. The paws are ready to strike. The tail. Nope, not you ready yet. Okay, Duncan, go ahead. No? Maybe? Come on. Well, you're no fun. Come on. Where's the birdies? I said, Dad, you're boring. Boring.